My mom called my wife not wife material. My mom hated my fiance, Julia, right from the beginning. And she said the reason for that is Julia is focused on her career and isn't great at housework. And she thinks Julia won't make a good wife or mom because of this. This Thanksgiving, mom asked Julia to cook the turkey. Julia doesn't cook much and was nervous about messing it up. She even told my mom that, but mom said she should just try because she'd have to learn someday anyway. Julia was super stressed about messing it up, so we decided to buy a turkey from Whole Foods instead. Julia was very happy to bring something nice to dinner without the pressure of cooking herself. When we got to my mom's house, mom asked how Julia made the turkey. Julia admitted she bought it. Mom got really mad and said she trusted Julia to cook and was disappointed she didn't try. Julia apologized and explained she just wanted everyone to have something good to eat. Mom wasn't having it and started whispering to her sisters about it. I asked mom what was wrong, and she said Julia was disrespectful and immature for not cooking the turkey. Then she went further, saying Julia isn't the right person for me and won't be a good mom. That was it for me. I told mom if she couldn't respect my fiance, we wouldn't stay. Later, my sister called, saying we ruined Thanksgiving by taking the turkey with us when we